Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about what you can do if you're having earphone or headphone jack problem in your device Samsung Z Fold. So if your earphone is not working, you can get it fixed by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start those steps, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn how can you fix your earphone problem.